Hi, wanna know how to make copies on your Samsung Xpress M2070W? So first thing that we need to do is to turn on our printer by clicking on this power button. Now we will need to wait a little while until your printer will warm up. Next thing that you're going to see is this text which is saying that your printer is ready to copy. But if you got any special type of copying and you would like to change it in the settings, click on this button menu on this blue circle. Here, find this setting named Copy Features. Click OK, and now with the help of these arrows you can scroll through these settings. For example, let's choose this one, click OK, and here also with the help of these arrows we can find our perfect option. And to save it, click OK. Now let's go back until we will see again this text ready to copy. So now the main thing. Firstly, we would need to open the lid and then take our document. But the most important part that you should put your document facing down. Not like this, the document should look at the glass in your printer. So position it like this and then close the lid. As a next step, we would need to simply click on this blue button Start and just wait. And this is it. Now we have successfully received our copy. Here is it how it looks. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.